How to practice with AI Flashcards Daily. First of all, open the Knowt app and select the AI flashcards you want to study. You can choose a set you previously created or one generated from your notes. Next, set a daily study goal. Decide how many flashcards you want to review each day and allocate a specific time for practice. Consistency is key, so even 10 to 15 minutes every day can make a huge difference in retention. After that, start practicing using the spaced repetition system. The app will prioritize flashcards you struggle with and show them more frequently, helping you remember information more effectively over time. You can also customize your daily practice by adding images, examples, or extra notes to the flashcards. This makes studying more engaging and allows you to focus on areas where you need the most improvement. Moreover, track your progress through the app's performance insight. Check which flashcards you have mastered and which ones need more attention so you can adjust your daily practice accordingly. Finally, make it a habit to review flashcards at the same time every day. Now you know how to practice with AI Flashcards Daily. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AI tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.